So these are the bottles. This is all the stuff that came out of my lungs in the past week. This one has a little bit in it. That one has a little bit in it at the end. But this one, for example, look how thick that is. This is why people are dying. They're being put on vents because they can't get this stuff out of their lungs. They're drowning. Anyway, yeah, that's a whole slew of nastiness. These are the oldest bottles. The stuff at the top of the bottle is all collected up there, and they've all broke down and turned to sediment. See how it sticks? Look at that. Look how heavy that is. That is no joke. That came out of my lungs. Thank God for a healthy body. Now another one with sediment. See that movement in there? Bless all the hearts that are on vents and having problems with this coronavirus. These are all different days. Wow. Stay healthy and God bless.